Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for React. First, let's set up our design environment. Start by creating your UI components directly within Figma, ensuring a consistent design system. Organize your Figma file logically, using pages for different sections and frames for individual components. Consider installing a helpful Figma plugin to streamline the process of converting your designs into React code, saving you valuable development time. A robust design system is crucial for efficient development. Within Figma, establish a library of reusable components, complete with defined variants and properties to cover all states and interactions. Leverage Figma's powerful auto layout feature to ensure your designs are inherently responsive and adapt seamlessly across various screen sizes. This systematic approach significantly reduces design inconsistencies and speeds up your workflow. Now, let's bridge the gap between design and code. Many Figma plugins can automatically generate clean, production-ready React component code directly from your designs. Additionally, export all necessary assets, such as icons and images, in optimized formats. Once generated, integrate this code into your existing React project, ensuring a smooth transition from your visual design to a functional application. Effective collaboration is key to successful projects. Establish Figma as the single source of truth for your design system, ensuring everyone works from the latest versions. This fosters seamless communication between designers and developers, minimizing misunderstandings. Rapidly iterate on designs based on user feedback and testing, allowing for agile adjustments and continuous improvement throughout the development lifecycle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.